आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So here the question says there are two red, two blue, two white and certain number of greater than 0 green socks in a drawer. So if two socks are taken at random from the drawer without replacement, the probability that they are of the same color is 1 by 5. We are given with the probability. Then the number of green socks are. We need to find out the number of green socks. We are given with the probability that they have pulled out the two socks from the drawer without replacement. They get the socks of same color, and the probability of that is 1 by 5, and we need to find out the green socks, that number of green socks, how many number of green socks are there in the drawer. So for that, let's start with the solution. So first of all, we have red, white, blue and green. These are the color of the socks. These are the colors of the socks. We are given that there are two red, two white and let's say X green, right? Because we don't know the number of green socks, we need to find, so that's why we are taking it X. So now we are given with the probability. So the we know the basic formula for probability, and that is favorable number of outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So let us find out the total number of outcomes. So total number of outcomes will be, so how many total socks we have? We have 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6, plus X. We have 6 plus X total number of socks, right? Total number of socks is equals to 6. And how many socks we are taking out? We are pulling out 2 socks. So that means here it will come 6 plus X. So that means we need to pull out 2 socks out of 6 plus X socks. So the total number of outcomes for that, the combination will be 6 plus X C 2. That out of 6 plus X socks we need to take out 2 socks. So this is the total number of outcomes, right? So now for the favorable number of outcomes, we have, okay, favorable number of outcomes are that the probability that the two socks which are taken out are of same color. That means they can either be red red, they can either be blue blue, white white or green green. These are the favorable outcomes only, right? So let's write that in how many cases can we get this. So if we have two red socks and we need to draw two only, so 2C2 for this, alright. And favorable are these, and what are the total number of outcomes? 6 plus X C 2. So here favorable upon total will be 6 plus X C. This is for red red. Similarly for blue blue, same, we have two blue socks and we need to take out two only. So favorable outcomes will be 2C2 and total number of outcomes will be 6 plus XC 2. Similarly for white 6 plus XC 2. Now for green, we have X number of green socks, right? And we need to take out only 2. So XC2 upon 6 plus X C2, right? So now if we add these all these probabilities. This is the probability of the event. And what is the event? Event is two socks taken out without replacement are of the same color, right? So this is the probability for the same. So if we add these events, if we add these probabilities, then we are given that this is equals to 5, right? So for solving this, 1 upon 5 is equals to these sum of these probabilities. So 2c2 will be equal to 1 only, right? So this will come 1 by 6x plus c2. Similarly, 1 upon 6 plus x c2, 1 upon 6 plus x c2. So this will be equal to 3 upon 6 plus x c2, right? And for this, plus x c2 upon 6 plus x c2. Now what is the formula for NCR? We know that the formula for NCR is n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial, right? So we'll be using this formula in this equation for solving these 1 upon 5. So after solving this, we'll be getting 3 upon, and to solve this we'll use this formula, and we'll be getting 6 plus x, this will be 5 plus x upon 2. How we are getting this? If you can say this 6 plus x as nc2, then you will be getting n factorial upon 2 factorial and n minus r factorial, that is you will be getting n into n minus 1 upon x into x minus 1 upon 2 into 6 plus x, 5 plus x upon 2. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So after this we'll be getting, this 2 will go in the numerator. So 6, 2 3s are 6. So this will be 6 plus x, 5 plus x, plus x into x minus 1, and this will be 6 plus x, 5 plus x, and after this we'll be getting, because the denominator is same, we can write this opening this bracket, x into x square minus x upon 6 plus x into 5 plus x 1 by 5 is equals to. Alright, so after this we'll be getting 5 into 6 plus x square minus x is equals to 6 plus x into 5 plus x. This we can solve by multiplying. So this will become x square plus 11x plus 30, and this will be 5x square minus 5x plus 30. This 30 and this 30 will get cancelled. So 5x square, this will be 4x square minus 5x plus 11x, so this will be minus 16x is equals to 0. I have just rearranged these elements, like elements, I have just rearranged these terms, like terms to be on one side, and I have calculated this. Alright, so from here if you can see 4 x, you can take 4x as common, so here x minus 4 is equals to 0. So this will become 0, so value of x will be 0 comma 4, right? So x can't be 0 because they have already told in the question that it is greater than 0, it is a certain number. So x will be equal to 4. And what is x? X is the number of green socks in the drawer.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।